Hi, welcome to Tempty Foods. My name is Anna, I'm a co-founder and product developer. Today we will cover basics of cooking with Tempty. We have two methods. One where we'll just use a pinch of salt and olive oil. And the second one where we have a marinade from lemon juice, olive oil, mustard, oregano and thyme. So now that our tempty is baked, here we have one that has been just brushed with olive oil and with a pinch of salt. And here is the marinated piece. And if you look at it closer, you can see that actually the just oiled one looks much more dry than the marinated one, which is why we usually suggest you to marinate it when baking.
It's good. It could be more moist from the outside. This is really nice.
I would definitely suggest going for marinated.